English Learning for Beginners, Common Prepositions.
Hey there, grammar gurus. Today we're diving deep into the world of English prepositions.
These little words might seem small, but they play a huge role in making our sentences clear and meaningful.
Buckle up, because we're going on a fun and informative ride.
First things first. What are prepositions?
Prepositions are words that link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words within a sentence.
They provide us with critical information about direction, location, time, and more. Think of them as the glue that holds your sentences together.
Common prepositions include at, on, in, before, with, about, after, from, over, under.
But that's just the tip of the iceberg.
Let's start with prepositions of place. These tell us where something is located.
For example, in the car,
on the bus,
At the park,
by the river,
Under the table.
between the trees.
Notice how each preposition gives us a precise location. Next up, prepositions of time. These tell us when something happens.
for example, at 3 p.m.,
In the morning,
On Monday,
during the summer,
by next week,
before dinner.
after the meeting,
each preposition provides a specific time frame.
Let's move on to prepositions of direction. These tell us where something is moving.
For example, to the store,
From the office,
towards the mountain,
Through the tunnel,
over the bridge,
along the river.
Each preposition indicates movement in a specific direction. See how to shows movement towards a destination, and from shows movement away from a starting point. It's like navigating with a compass. Prepositions of manner tell us how something is done.
for example, by car,
with a smile.
in a hurry,
on foot,
through hard work.
These prepositions describe the manner or method of an action.
traveling by car is fast and convenient, while traveling on foot is slow but healthy.
Each preposition adds a layer of detail to the action.
Next, let's explore prepositions of cause, reason, and purpose. These explain why something happens.
For example, because of the rain,
Due to traffic,
for health reasons,
Out of curiosity,
Each preposition provides a reason or cause.
staying indoors because of the rain keeps you dry, and being late due to traffic is just part of city life.
prepositions help us understand the why behind actions.
Some prepositions are part of idiomatic expressions, where their meaning isn't always literal.
for example, in a pickle,
on cloud 9,
At odds,
By heart.
These phrases have unique meanings that don't always relate directly to the individual words.
feeling on cloud 9 means you're extremely happy.
and knowing something by heart means you've memorized it perfectly.
Idiomatic prepositions add color and flair to our language.
Watch out for common preposition mistakes.
English prepositions can be tricky, even for native speakers.
For example, I'm good in English should be, I'm good at English.
And she is married with a doctor should be, she is married to a doctor. Prepositions matter.
Let's practice.
I'll give you some sentences, and you fill in the blanks with the correct prepositions.
I arrived. Blank. The airport. Blank. Time.
I arrived at the airport on time.
She walked. Blank. The park. Blank. Her dog.
She walked through the park with her dog.
They moved. Blank. The city. Blank. Work. They moved to the city for work.
He studied, blank, night, blank, his exam.
He studied at night for his exam.
Great job.
Remember, prepositions might be small, but they pack a punch in our sentences.
Whether it's place, time, direction, manner, or reason, these little words make a big difference.
Thanks for joining me on this prepositional adventure. Don't forget to subscribe, and leave a comment with any other grammar mysteries you'd like us to solve.
See you next time, language lovers.